Hey Navi riders, welcome to Motorcycles and Malamutes. Today we're going to find out if riding a Navi is cool, because there's a lot of cool bikes out there, but sometimes these little bikes are fun to ride, but maybe we have a little bit of, let's call it motorcycle anxiety. So let's find out if this Navi gets the motorcycle wave. Stay tuned.
Is the Navi cool? Is the Navi cool? Oh, here it comes. Oh, that's one. 1 for 1, baby. Oh, they're so cool. One for one. Here we go. Oh, are we gonna get away? All right, biker. Oh, where'd he go? He ain't here. He ain't here. Oh! Oh, I got a wave. Did you see that? I got a wave. That's two.
So I thought I'd head to Cycle Gear and see if there was some people there and see what they thought of the Honda Navi. Then I got a little embarrassed to ask them what they thought.
Alright, so I just bought some stuff for my DRZ, oiled air filter and a chain brush. And see, on a regular motorcycle you can't do what I'm about to do, which is this. Boom, boom. You see this action? Bam. You can't do it on this Repsol Honda. You can do it on this Honda Navi.
Oh, yeah. Come on, motorcyclists, where are you? We got to get some waves. That'd be cool. Yee-hoo! Does a motorcyclist think that the Navi is cool? That's what we want to know. Footless stop. Oh yeah! Woo! Doing good. Doing good.
As we close this video, it is now apparent that 3 out of 4 motorcyclists think that the Honda Navi is cool. What do you think? Is the Honda Navi cool? It sure is fun.
Lean.